Good morning, traders. Welcome back to another live trading cum analysis. So overall, market seems to be heavily bullish. Uh, not made any position so far. I wanted to buy here, but I missed it. And this candle rally was quite huge, and I didn't want to take a larger risk, so I let it pass. Another trade opportunity was here. Somehow I didn't had a confidence to go with it, so now waiting in case if it crosses this resistance area, I might end up adding long position here. If not, I will wait for some corrections to happen and then take a go long, or I will look for some shorting opportunities. So let's wait and watch, and I'll update you as soon as I make some position and explain the logic behind taking that trade. Traders, welcome back. It was a quick trade, so I forgot to switch on the recording. So I made an entry here and I also exited the position. So overall I was able to catch about 173 points, 170 points basically. So I should have actually waited for 1:2 risk reward ratio, but this ideally this should have been my target range, but I am also little doubtful because continuously from last 3 days, if you look at, market is rallying in one direction all the way from here till here, which is almost 3000 points, and that is one thing that is not giving me a confidence to wait for a longer target. And no doubt it might achieve that, but overall so I am good at taking just about 1.25 risk reward. So this is where I exited. So yeah, exactly here. But nevertheless, yes, so the market is very strong and very bullish. Yes, so no doubt it is going to touch this point as well. But overall, yeah, we are happy and we got what we wanted. So all of a sudden, in case if any profit booking that happens in the market, you might see a sudden huge fall, and I didn't want to let my profit become a basically turning a profitable trade into a loss one, and thereby I had to book it here just for 1:1 target. So yeah, 1:1 is what we achieved today, and I also got to head out now to meet some clients. But overall, yes, happy trade. I think most of the time I only like going short, so very rarely I go on a long position, and this is one of the this happened to be one of the long trade that I took. And if you look at all the banks are supporting really well. HDFC Bank is almost up by 2%, and this is what driving this crazy movement in the bank Nifty. And Axis Bank is also almost 2.6% up. Almost all banks, and very strong movement. But Nifty, if you look at Nifty, doesn't have Nifty compared to bank Nifty. Nifty is only up by 6%, that's 0.6%, whereas bank Nifty is up by 2.5 or 2.6% to be precise. So yeah, so this rally might continue, and yeah, so this is where I was seeing some kind of resistance, but yeah, this should come till here, I think 37,841, which is just about another 50 points. So and then yeah, So I don't see much of the resistance being there. So most probably it might come till here, which is 38 to 30. From current point another 300 to 400 points. But overall, yes, it turned a bullish turn. And if you notice, so this trend line has been taken out. So this trend line is not matching anywhere. Yeah, basically this trend line is taken out yesterday, or yeah, day before yesterday, and from here on it is continuous rally that has been driving. And on a daily chart, also, yes, so this, the current point is where there is a small resistance, and this is where exactly I had planned to take a thing. Quite interesting chart. Yes, let's see. Maybe as we are getting into a second half now, we might see some sharp selling coming, because it is a vertical rise from last 2-3 days, and one can go long as soon as it breaks this trend line. Yeah, it should be an opportunity. Or we can even think of going maybe from here, in case if it retraces back to this 20 EMA, we can look at going for a long opportunity, provided there is no short sentiment. But overall, yes, so this was a good and quick trade. So soon after breaking, this was a resistance zone that I had actually marked, and as soon as this green candle emerged, so I entered here with a stop loss of about 130-140 points here. And then against that, so ideally the risk to reward 1:2 risk to reward, right? So it should be somewhere around 240 points, which is this level. But somewhere I felt 240 points is quite a longer or large target to wait, considering that it is already rallied so much. So thereby I had to exit at 1:1.2 ratio. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.